My name is DJ Harris, and I'm a Level 2 web press operator here at Friesen's. I stack the bundles and I put them on the skid so they can go to the next destination and the next process of putting that book together for the finished product. I think my favorite part of the job is the books that we print, knowing that I played a part in putting those books together. I heard about MITT through a school, kind of like a college fair. I found that MITT would be more hands-on and I would be able to thrive in that kind of environment. And the atmosphere was really great there. I studied graphic design and printing technician. I never knew what kind of stuff went into printing. At MITT, I learned ink management, ink densities, ink and water balance. On the printing press, I learned the maintenance in general to ensure that I take care of the press that I'm working on now to keep it going for as long as it has and for even longer. Thank you. Wow.
Can you tell me about that?
Yeah, this is my ID card from MITT. I remember the day I got it. It was the first day that I was there. I knew nobody, and so I made some new friends while I was waiting in line to get the card, and it brings back some really good memories. I was really excited for the next step of my life, finding a career that I want to be in. Don't give up. You're going to face a lot of challenges in life, but it's the way that you overcome them and get through them. That's what I'm telling myself now, even. Mentally, I'm in the best state that I have been probably for the last several years, and it's all been because of MITT and Friesen's.